They have 80% off on the premium dog food down at the pet section. For little small change, Ja provide. Premium? Nah man, that powdery nonsense for Instagram dog. My stomach crave real seasoning, not mystery pebble. Keep that premium food for stush dog. Me tired here hype and so-called hybrid. German shepherd this, pit bull that, French bulldog that. Them can't even take sun too long. Them out there faint like diva. Oh, my paws hot. Oh, me need ice water. Brother, me a mongrel, me drink pipe water and still live for long. Original dog, my brethren.
Security when I not doing a job. Dog in a supermarket, trotting around with chain like superstar in my life better than me.
My client bet is that damn dog, Mad Max. Me a pick some chicken back at the true Jamaican national bird. Wait, are we this? Oh. Be honest, my people. I try stand still and blend in. You think Mr. Chin see me? Anyway, my people, price on this imported chicken hot like pepper sauce. Look like the chicken fly business class we reach ya. Move! My can't see a face now, my people. Real food price sky high. And this was the last pack till some idiot fling it on the ground.
Good morning, sir.
Them say mongrel versatile. Who else can turn garbage bag into Gucci marks? Supermarket full of food. And you see what him buy at the till?